Hi everybody, welcome to Css Web Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about CSS Web Safe Fonts. So what are Web Safe Fonts? Web Safe Fonts are fonts that are universally installed across all browsers and devices. So we call them fallback fonts. However, they are not 100% completely web safe fonts. There's always a chance that a font is not found or is not installed properly. Therefore, it is very important to always use fallback fonts. This means that you should add a list of similar backup fonts in the font family property. If the first font does not work, the browser will try the next one and the next one and so on. Always end the list with a generic font family name. Here is an example. We list 3 fonts: Taoma, Vanda, and sans serif. The second and the third fonts are backup fonts in case the first one is not found. Let's move to the next one. So we have web safe fonts for HTML and CSS. The following list are the best web safe fonts for HTML and CSS: Arial, Veranda, Taoma, Trebuchet, MS, Time New Roman, Georgia, Garamond, Carrier New, Brush Script, MT, and they're all different. So we have a note: before you publish your website, always check how your font appears on different browsers and devices, and always use we have Arial sans serif. That is, Arial is the most widely used font for both online and printed media. Arial is also the default font for Google Doc. Arial is one of the safest web fonts, and it is available on all major operating systems. This is an example of Arial. Then we have Veranda sans serif. Veranda is a very popular font. It is Vandana. It is easily readable even for small font size. We have Taoma. Taoma font has less space between the characters. Let's move to the next one. We also have Trebuchet. Was designed by Microsoft in 1996. Use the font carefully, not supported by all mobile operating systems. We have Times New Roman. Times New Roman is one of the most recognized fonts in the world. It looks professional and is used in many newspapers and news websites. It is also the primary font for Windows device and application. Then we have Georgia. Georgia is elegant. Georgia is an elegant serif font. It is very readable at different font sizes. So it is good. It is a good candidate for mobile responsive design. Let's move to the last one. Garamond. It is a classical font used for many printed books. It has timeless book and good readability. We have Carrier New. It's the most widely used monospace serif font. Carrier New is often used with coding display, and many emails providers use it as their default font. Carrier is also the standard font for movie script play. Then we have the last one, Brush Script MT. Brush Script MT was designed to mimic handwriting. It is elegant and sophisticated, but can be hard to read. Use it carefully. I hope you understand everything I've taught you so far. Thank you for watching. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Css Web Academy. See you next time. Bye.